Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we were discussing about computer graphics programming using OpenGL in a beginner friendly way. This is the second video of the series. If you haven't checked out the first part, introduction part, you can uh, you can find it in the playlist. Okay, so let's get started. Now, this is the second video. In this, let's do an activity. We will initialize an graphics window with the color cyan with window position 100, 200 and the title as activity 1. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, what we had to do was to include the library, the GLUT library, where the pre-written code is available for us to use for managing windows, for handling input and other utility functions. Okay, include. And remember, it's case sensitive, so you have to be careful wherever the letters are capital, you have to write it in capital letters only. So glut.h has been included. Now we will write the main function. So we are discussing in the same order that your OpenGL will execute int argc, comma, character, pointer, argv. These are the command line arguments given to the main function. Now we will initialize the GLUT library. GLUT init init, and it will take the same arguments as the command line arguments, the main function, address of argc, comma, argv, and then put a semicolon. Next, we will write the function glut init window size to specify the size of the window. By default, the size of a graphics window is 300, 300. So glut init window size. This is the library function that we are using. Now you have to give the x coordinate of the window position and y coordinate of the window position. So we will give 500, 500 for example. And then we will write the function init glut init window position that will specify on creating the window exactly where on your display screen of your computer it will be displayed. So by default, what is the your display coordinate system? This top left corner of your screen is the origin. This is your x axis and down is your y axis. Okay, so we will give glut init window position. Position. We will give suppose 100, 200. Then glut create window. We will create the window, write the code that will create the window. Glut create window, and we have to write the title of our window. So we can give the title as activity 1. Okay. uh, then we have to register the callback function whenever the event of resizing your window or opening a window is encountered. Then this display callback function will be called. I have explained the display callback function and the event driven programming in the introduction part of the series. You can check out in the playlist. Then glut display func will register the display callback function, and we have to write the display callback function. What it has to do whenever the window is reinitialized, void display, this function will be called void display. We'll write the logic over here. then glut main loop. This will start the OpenGL program. When it hits this point, glut main loop, it will start listening for events. And when event occurs, it will call this registered display function, execute this display function. So here first we have to register the color, which color will be used when we are clearing the display, the window. So GL clear color. Here the arguments, first argument is the intensity of red. For cyan color, we know that we have to mix green color with blue color. First argument is for red, so we don't need red color. Second is for green. So green we will give full intensity 1.0. Next is blue, we will give full intensity 1.0. And for transparency alpha, we will give 0.0 value. So this is equal to cyan color. Cyan color. Okay. Next is GL clear. So this GL clear color, it sets the buffers or memory locations with color, which color will be used for clearing the OpenGL graphics window, and this GL clear will actually make your display window background with the color specified in GL clear color. Okay. Clearing means making all the pixel values with the same color, right, in the color buffer or memory. I have explained this as well in the first part of the video series, introduction part. If you haven't watched that video, please go and check out the OpenGL playlist. Okay. GL, the argument or input to GL color will be GL color buffer bit underscore bit. Okay. Next, GL flush, small GL flush. This GL flush, when this GL flush will ensure that the clearing of the window or making the background of window with the cyan color is executed immediately. Okay, so we are done with the code. We will save it, save all, and then we will run the code. Yes, you can see this is a window of 500 comma 500 and the background is cyan. So let's do one more thing. We will make the window position, initialize the window position with 0 comma 0. Then see what happens. The window should come at the top left corner of the screen. We will save it again, compile and run. Yes, so yeah, that's all for this video, guys. If you like this video, then you share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and tell your feedback in the comments. What did you like about this video? Thank you. Bye.